Hi, Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. Let's see what customers are buying. Just going to unbox a delivery. So, see what's inside of the delivery. Got some tomato grow. Got some spider repellent. Got some fridge magnets. Got a spoon, utensil holder for when you're washing up. Got a trigger for the spider repellent. So also I've got some makeup. Some makeup from Beauty UK. So we've got some concealer. Got some glitter. Got some lip gloss. Got some concealer control. Got some nail varnish. Got some eyeliner. And we've got some nail art. And then here we've got a personalised coffee mug or a coffee cup. So thank you for watching and see you next time.